This is my mind map for Chapter 1, Practitioner Inquiry in Trying Times. The chapter's central focus is the topic of practitioner research, which is also the central focus of my mind map. It is found at the bottom of the page, or base, because it is the root of the discussion. All other information branches out from the practitioner research label, since all other information stems from this concept. In this chapter, the policy and political climate of U.S. education is first discussed, highlighted in three main categories, which are labeled on my mind map: education and the economy, emphasis on accountability, and evidence, science, and scientism. These areas influence the movement of practitioner research. According to Chapter 1, practitioner research movement is gaining momentum in the United States as well as other parts of the world. In accordance with this, the chapter highlights 5 themes linked to practitioner research in the last 10 years. These are included on my mind map. The 5 themes include issues of equity, engagement, and agency, developing conceptual frameworks, inventing and reinventing communities of inquiry, shaping school reform and educational policy, and finally, reforming research and practices in universities. The first theme, included in Chapter 1, is issues of equity, engagement, and agency. This theme focuses on classroom, school, and program-based investigations. This includes issues of cultural, language, critical literacy, and adult literacy. The owl image included on my mind map represents Catherine Owl, who is a researcher that I connected to the research topics discussed. Networks and cross-network initiatives also are discussed within this theme. This includes the National Writing Project and other teacher networks. Finally, students as researchers and social actors is discussed within this theme. This highlights the link between teacher inquiry and student inquiry, which is a phrase also linked to theme 1 on my mind map. This image here is of various languages, which represents one of the possible research topics described in Chapter 1, under Theme 1. Next, we're going to move to Theme 2, which also is connected to practitioner research. Theme 2 is developing conceptual frameworks. Under this theme, theorizing the practice of teaching is discussed. This discusses how teachers' theories on teaching can shape teacher research, and that's what the magnifying glass over education is related to. It also emphasizes that learning from teachers can help guide future frameworks for teaching. This is one of the phrases included in Chapter 1. Learning from teachers about teaching provides perspectives on frameworks that can guide instruction. There are also other links to Theme 2, which are included on my mind map. Next is Theme 3. Theme 3 is inventing and reinventing communities of inquiry. This theme discusses the impact of new technologies in establishing inquiry networks. It also highlights the benefits of local groups with national connections and supporting local knowledge generation. Finally, cross-national communities are linked to Theme 3. This discusses the promising future of practitioner research and its global impact. Next is Theme 4. The fourth theme is shaping school reform and educational policy. This theme outlines the idea of schools as sites of change. Teachers studying their own schools have yielded research that is impacting the field, according to Chapter 1. Linking teachers' independent research to inform policy is also outlined in Theme 4. Finally, we will move to Theme 5. Theme 5 is Reforming Research and Practice in Universities. This is outlined in Chapter 1. This theme examines the relationship between knowledge, practice, power in universities, and the connection between teaching and research. This theme outlines the importance of practitioner research because of its inclusion in academic literature. Also, according to this theme, the importance of practitioner research is impacting academic research and teaching. More instruction and guidance on practitioner research is now included in educational programs. Finally, Theme 5 outlines the importance of school and university partnerships to support inquiries by teachers in collaboration with university-based faculty. And this is my mind map. In examining the 5 themes related to practitioner research highlighted in Chapter 1, as well as on my mind map, it is evident that the practitioner research movement is becoming stronger within the current climate of the U.S. educational system.